I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to make a ring light for less than $15. Yes, $15 instead of $100 or more. First, we're going to need a rope light from Walmart. We're going to need a wire wreath, some foil, zip ties, and a pair of scissors. And that's all you need. You can get all of this for under $15. Yes. So we're going to start off by taking a wire wreath and wrapping the foil around the wire wreath and just continue going until you're done. Make sure it's nice and flush and flat to the wreath. So when you put the lights on, it's not all bumpy and tacky and just terrible. Just make sure it's flat.
And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Now you're going to take your rope light and your zip ties and just attach it to the wire wreath and just keep going around and around and around until you feel like it's on there secure enough. Just keep wrapping and keep wrapping. And this is how it should look once you're done wrapping and securing it. And then just take your scissors and cut the ends of the zip ties. And what I did after I cut the ends off, I kind of twisted the end of the zip tie towards the back so it can look a little bit better. Now here, what I'm doing, I'm attaching the ring light to my tripod. And I'm just going to just put a whole bunch of zip ties on there until I feel like it's secure. And here it is, honey. Yes. I feel so accomplished. And I feel like I saved my coins. This is so nice.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
here's how it looks with no ring light. Just my room light on. Lights off, lights on. And here it is with the ring light, honey. Yes. Thank you all so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let me know down below in the comments. So let me know if you tried this tutorial. Until next time, see ya. Like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces.
I just need to clear my